Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to use ChatGPT without phone number. In order to use ChatGPT account, we must have to verify our phone number first. But if you don't want to use your valid phone number on your ChatGPT account, then here's a simple solution to fix this problem. You can use alternative or virtual phone number to verify your ChatGPT account. To do that, open a browser and type here free phone number for verification, and then here you will get several websites where you can get a free virtual number to verify your ChatGPT account. So you have to open a website from this list, and this is a very popular website to verify OTP without phone number. So you can open this website and select a country, and now here you will get a virtual phone number. So all you have to do is just copy this number from here and go to your ChatGPT verification page, enter the number, and here you will get the ChatGPT verification OTP. This is how you will be able to use ChatGPT without having a personal phone number. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching this video.